everybody. I'm Ron Perry, along with my wife Faye Alardi Perry, the owners of Virgin Beach Resort in Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're here in our home in Tulare, California, because we're not able to travel to our resort because of the COVID. We've been married over 30 years, and we've purchased the property in 1992 or 3. Actually finalized 93. We started construction late in 93, mostly 94, and had our first day use guests in 1994, and 1995 had our first overnight guests. We are open for business, and we invite you to stop by for day use, 100 pesos per person. Children are half price, infant is free, seniors and students are 20% discount with your proper photo ID. And then we have day use cottages for 300 pesos, starting at 300 pesos for all day. We have overnight promos starting at 500 pesos for a fan room for 2 per night. And you can get those promos by messaging us for reservation on our Facebook page or make the reservation online on our website, and we'll have that link below. So today's vlog, number 27, is about our beautiful resort. It's a combination of different things. We have some photos and some drone shots from Mr. Mark Diether, who is currently at the resort and who will be producing some nice drone videos for us. And by the way, if you're a droner or photographer, videographer, blogger, vlogger, we have some promos for you. We can help you if you can help us. So just message me in Facebook. And then also this there's a video in there, and Mr. Alexander Belsinia II is the one who is a photographer in Medellin. We highly recommend both these gentlemen, especially Alexander. He does weddings, he does so many things. He makes such great photos, so we highly recommend him, and you can check him out on Facebook. I'll put his name below, and you can check him out on Facebook. He does live in Medellin, so he can do anywhere in the north for weddings and prenups and birthdays, celebration, anniversaries, and so forth. He's just a great guy. His family is a beautiful family, and we highly recommend him. So this is, as I said, this is our 27th vlog. Wow, time really goes by here. And be sure and subscribe, like, and share, and then visit us online for more about our resort. So we'll see you in the next video. Okay, you take care.
Yeah.